Hope it fits. Welcome back to another video. In this video we are working on the front of the extension tower and we are gonna get the facade done. This video is also sponsored by Gentlebands, more on them later. This facade is not a lot of wood required, but it's very complicated. The design of it is really complicated. So if we can make it look nice and seamless, then that's gonna be amazing. So that's my goal today, is the complexity to be nice and beautiful. So let's get started and tape whatever we're missing up there at the windows and the very top. We did not tape it because we're out of tape. So let's get started with that.
Why are you so hungry?
Hope it fits.
It's perfect.
So thanks to Gentlebands for sponsoring today's video. Previously I've seen Gentlebands as a sponsor on this channel, but this time we are gonna give something back to you guys, which is rings. So you're gonna be able to win some rings. But first, let's talk about Gentlebands. Gentlebands is a ring company that provides rings for men and really stylish handcrafted rings, hundreds to choose from for all kinds of occasions such as anniversaries, holidays are coming up. That's just as a really nice gift for someone else or for yourself if you want. They also have free engraving and free return. And additionally, they also have a chain, so you can wear it around your neck as another way of accessorizing yourself. And this time is going to be a bit of a twist. We are going to do a giveaway, so 3 lucky subscribers going to be able to win a ring. And it's going to be fully for free for you guys. All you have to be is subscribe to our channel, like this video, and comment down below GB and which ring you want. After following the GB, you comment in the ring that you like. So go on their website, check out the rings, see which one you would like to either gift someone or have for yourself. And just write that in the comments, why would you like this ring? And then after 7 days, we are gonna randomly choose from all these comments who's gonna be the lucky 3 winners. So yeah, that's gonna be an easy opportunity for you to get a nice ring for yourself or someone else. So yeah, let's get on with the rest of the video. So we have done the easy part, which is this front. Looks absolutely beautiful. But now we're coming to this complicated part, which has an angle here, and this is a flat wall, so it kind of has to go kind of like that. So I think the best way of doing it is pretty much making it flush here, and then the corner is touching here, and then this part here, the front, we're just gonna cover up. It's only gonna be that much, because to get this angle perfectly and have a 45-degree angle like this, so it means it goes nice and flush, is quite impossible. So I think we're just gonna do our best, and yeah, we'll just see what happens.
We anyways gonna cover also like the front, so it's gonna go like a ring around it.
Yeah.
So I think anyways gonna be fine in that sense. And we're gonna have it, in case we're going with dark color, it's gonna go bright color accents in it. So we're gonna make it like beautiful.
Okay, so let's get started and see if we can cover this up. So I've made a small little adjustment. I will attach a wood in the back here because some of these didn't go high up enough to be covered by these ones, and we cannot kind of add a covering. We will add one, but we cannot cover the bottom ones because then the water will just leak behind this wood. So I'd rather do it below straight away, and I think that's gonna look the best and also work the best for us. So something like this. We're gonna have the same problem here, or we're gonna be okay. I somehow figured out the angles. This is taking a lot of effort to figure out, but I'm somehow doing it. I'm just cutting them and messing around with it. That's why I cut them super long, so I can just cut them multiple times. And that
looks
kind
good.
of found a pretty good angle here.
That looks perfect.
So yeah, we can screw this down.
Perfect. See, but do you think the same? Not sure what she's saying about it. She's kind of leaving, not even want to look at it. That looks so perfect.
So I did get a new tool. I got a reciprocating saw, so finally I can cut some things without being messy and without using handsaw. So this pretty much replaces the handsaw, and I got amazingly obsessed because I saw it cuts wood and nails. These blades are called, and I got wood and nail blades, and I got some metal blades. So I'm perfectly set to cut wood with nails in it. I mean, this is not gonna be that example, but cutting anything on the old house, most of the cases is gonna be nails in it. So I've broken a lot of blades and chains by cutting into nails.
Why
so
did
this
you not
would have
buy
been
that?
useful
Yeah,
a long
earlier.
time ago. And this saw was only 40 euros, I think. So
yeah.
So that's a pretty good deal. Could have got that a long time ago. But let's see how long it lasts. I give it maybe a year.
Would you have 2 years warranty or 3?
2-year warranty on this
2-year
one.
warranty, okay, so we can always bring it back.
So now that we figured it out, let's go do exactly the same thing on the other side. So good that we didn't start with this side, because this side is a much bigger nightmare. First of all, it has to go a lot higher, like that much higher. So that's where the angle has to be. And that is the problem. And also another problem is that the wind barrier, we didn't do it loosely enough, so it's really, really tight here. Even though there's space behind, we could have had it much more looser. Yeah, so that makes it really tight fit. So yeah, we'll see how that works. It's really strong, like I can't pressure it, but it does stretch a bit, so hopefully that's going to be enough for these woods. So we need to change pretty much 4 woods here, all to get a bit bigger. We need to see if the other side is exactly the same 6 woods, because that would make sense that it's equal at least. But it should be all perfectly equal size. I think then it's symmetrical. So yeah, we gotta change all of these 4. So those 2 go to the bottom, these 2 are easy, nice and small, but these 2 big ones will change. Of course, we will reuse them somewhere else. It's not like that'll be a waste, but it's just an extra job that we have to do now. But we did not realize how much will go. I don't know, I thought that's gonna go down there somehow. But yeah, doing it all on nice, perfect, symmetrical angles, you kind of have to have it all the same. So yeah, let's redo them now. If we did it like this on the other side and from the start, just cutting 45-degree angle, which we could have done, we wouldn't need that bottom wood that we did on the other side. It would make a lot more smoother look, I feel, for sure. But now we have to add it because it's on both sides, and we're not redoing all the other side. Yeah, so.
We're learning.
Slowly. Very
slowly. They're trying to teach us how to build houses.
So as you can see, it is done. It's not a lot of progress for one day's work, but this was quite complicated, and to have it finished is quite good. It doesn't look the best now, but I think once we do the front siding on the top, it's gonna look a lot better. It took a lot longer than I expected. I honestly thought it's gonna take less, but I also was super scared of how it's gonna turn out. So I'm really happy that we did it, and it looks pretty good still. And thanks again to Gentlebands for sponsoring today's video. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment down below which ring you would like, just to enter the competition and get yourself a free ring. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. We're gonna see you in the next one where we continue on with the front siding. That's gonna really look beautiful.
Hopefully in tomorrow's video.